Hi and welcome to this video. If you're new to Midjourney, this video is for you because I'm going to show you how to get started with Midjourney. So here, the first thing you have to do is to join Discord. I did another video about that, so just check it out. You go just to the Midjourney website and then you can join here the beta. This will bring you to Discord and you can actually join the channel there, and then you will be able to generate images. So what you need to know is as soon as you join the Discord channel, here on the left side you will find the newbie groups. So there's newbie 27, newbie 57, 87. It doesn't matter which you join, but in these channels you can test around. You can have a look at the images the other people generated, and you can get a good idea what you can do. You're basically using these text prompts here, so abstract background graphic for a presentation or a cyberpunk Monopoly man. You just type in what you want to see and the style, and it will generate it for you. This is how you can get started. And to generate your first image, you will just go in and type slash and then imagine, and you type in what you want to see, like a dog running. And you can use certain parameters. You could type in like dog running on the beach or whatever. And it's starting to generate the image here. As you see, you have this orange bar. But what I'm going to do for that video is I will go to my channel and put it in here, because you will see it will get pretty hard to find your image again, because there's so many images are generated. So we'll just type in dog running here again, and this is much cleaner because it's just my messages or my prompts in here, and it will generate it for me, and it will be very easy for me to find it. So in a second, Midjourney will generate this image for me. You see it's already starting to generate. At the moment it's 0%. The settings are fast, and in my case I set this so nobody can see it. You can access the information or the settings by just typing in settings, and then Midjourney will show you the settings. So I have a paid plan, and so in this plan, I can actually do some more modifications, but just to let you know, I set it here to stealth mode, so it's private and nobody can see my images. If you're using your images to make some money, to sell it on eBay or to sell it on Etsy or whatever, I would recommend to do that. So here you see it's a beautiful image, or four beautiful images of dogs running, what we put in actually, and you could modify that, of course, but we will do that in another video. And the next step would be to upscale the images or regenerate it. So if you don't like really what you see, or if you like it but you want different versions, you can just click here and it will start to generate more of these images. If you, for example, like the second image here on the top right side, then you just click here on version 2, and then it will generate 4 more versions of this image. It will just generate 4 more versions because I set it in the settings here. I will just show you. In the settings, I set it so it will give me 4 more images. If you don't set it, it will give you 1 more image. Let's see what happened to the settings. So it's loading, as you see. Probably the server is really maxed out. So on the left side here in the description, you can see how to count the images. This is pretty important to know, because the images, so top left image is 1, then the next on the right side, top right, is 2, bottom left is 3, and then bottom right is 4. You need to know this to be able to upscale and make versions of it. So the settings, what I wanted to show is remix mode. I put it on remix mode so it will make 4 new images. So if I like this image on the top right most and I want to make 4 more, 1 more, depending on the settings, 1 more version of that, I will click on V2 to generate more versions of it. Just confirm that. And if I want to make that bigger already, let's make this bigger here. I would count 1, 2, 3. So this image would be 3, and I upscale it. That's why it's U, upscale it and 3. And let's just see what comes out. So this is just a new version of all the 4 images we regenerated using this button. And then we will see that this is 3 more versions actually of the dog on the right top, as you see here. So it's taking this dog, the colors of the dog or the image of the dog, to generate 4 more versions of this. And you see these are just random dogs, but this version below is actually this dog on the right top. So it's very easy to do that. And here, this job is still running, and it's making a large image of the dog here. It can take some minutes sometimes because the server is quite um, strongly used. And here, this is the big image of the dog that we generated at the end. And if you can click on it, then you will see how big it is. But if you really want to have it bigger, then you need to upscale it. And you just press on this button and it will make the image even bigger. If you want to make variations of this still, you can just click here on the make variations and it will still make variations out of that image. If you want to modify it a little, you can remaster it. I will not do it. And I want to show you that all these images are basically in some kind of library. So if I click here, we get basically the Midjourney account at the backend. And here we will see where it's generated from. So what was the image that was generated first? We see the image size. We can download the image by pressing here. And we have all the information. We have everything collected in our account. If I press here, I can see and click on every image that I generated till now. So these are all the dog images I created. You see, I played around here a little with making a dog image, a Minecraft character. Then I created images of people. I created superheroes. I created a lot of stuff. I've created many images over the last years and hours. So I hope that was useful. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will make videos on a daily basis now and get started to generate your first images with Midjourney and have fun. See you. Bye bye.